finish a paint art by chart, and you might see some things that might require some minimal changes. And in this case, it would be the eyes on Persephone. As you can see on the paint art by chart, it looks a little bit too reddish, and that's because sometimes the software won't be able to capture all of the minute details. And so I'm just going to do it manually. I'm choosing the whitest shade. In this case, I'll choose number 21, and in tub number 21 I will just basically dot that onto the sides of Persephone's eyes, just to give her that white section of her eyeballs. So we'll just dab that like so. And you don't really need to have a code for this. You just, basically put in, it's like putting on makeup, for example, So just put in as much as you feel it needs to get that realistic eyes look. Do the same thing on the other side of her eye, and you should be done.